nothing needs to happen this red hot minute. Whether I keep my nose to the grindstone in this moment is not going to make any difference in the outcome of this. I have the right and the ability to just relax into my good feeling for a minute. I understand that the laws of the universe are in place. I'm getting better and better at applying them for myself. I know for sure that I have the ability to focus, and I understand the power of focus, and I so love inspired action. I can feel the power in inspired action, and I love the feeling of inspired action. I love working in concert with the laws of the universe. I like moving toward the things that I want. I love that feeling of momentum. I like the idea of the leverage of the universe. I like the idea of having access to the energy that creates worlds and flowing it through my focus. I like results I get from alignment. I'm so aware of results that I get from alignment. This lighter feeling that I'm feeling right now is a manifested evidence that I'm coming into resonance with my own power. I can feel that if I can continue this, that ideas of inspiration will begin to flow to me. I can feel that this is not only not wrong action right now, that this is the most right action that I've found in a while. I'm returning to my true empowerment. I'm returning to my true nature. I can feel that I'm dovetailing with the power of the universe. I can feel that I'm lining up with the things that I've put into my vortex. I believe that law of attraction has been assembling all of those cooperative components. And I believe that in this exercise that I'm doing right now, that I'm becoming more one of those cooperative components. And I believe that on that high-flying disc, where I'm on that disc and all of the cooperative components are on that disc with the things that I want, that it's not only going to get me really good results eventually, I'm getting really good results now because of the way that I feel right now. I believe that this is the way I'm meant to feel. I believe I'm meant to feel proud of myself. I believe I'm meant to feel invincible. I believe that I'm meant to feel my own empowerment. I believe that I'm supposed to direct the energy that creates worlds. I believe that the sifting and the sorting that I've done has all been about that. I believe I'm in the right place at the right time. I love my vitality. I love my ability to act. I want to jump into action. I want to make things happen. I want to be a cooperative component. I want to be the deliberate creator of my own experience. I love the feeling of energy flowing through me. I love this feeling of empowerment. I love accessing the energy that creates worlds. I love directing it toward things that matter to me. I love the ideas that are flowing now. I love the ideas that are coming next. I love this world in which I live. I love everybody and where they are. I'm so appreciative of all of the action-oriented people in this world. I adore those who are acting no matter what, and I so enjoy those that are acting out of inspiration. I so love being one who is acting out of inspiration. I just love this action-oriented, inspired world in which I am such a vivid part. I'm so happy that I understand these laws of the universe. I'm so happy that I've redirected myself right here and now. I'm so happy that I found the high-flying disc. I'm so happy that I milked the momentum of the high-flying disc. I can feel that I'm now owning it for a while. I can feel that now I've done good work, and that the evidence of this day is going to show to me the alignment that I've achieved. I'm expecting lots of inspiration today. I'm expecting lots of aligning with lots of other people that are on this high-flying disc. This is one of the most productive moments in time I've ever spent. I am so happy that I took the time to do what matters most and engage for myself and for the world at large and for others that I will co-create with. I'm so happy that I have become a cooperative component with the energy that creates worlds. This is going to be a really good day.